In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView to trade crypto with a clear daily trading workflow, step by step. We'll keep things simple, clean, and focused so you can repeat the same routine each day with confidence. Start by opening TradingView and selecting the crypto pair you want to trade. You can type a symbol like BTC/USDT or ETH/USDT into the search bar at the top. Choose the market that matches how you trade and where you execute orders. Once the chart loads, give it a quick look to make sure the price scale and candles are easy to read. Next, set the time frame that fits your approach. If you're day trading, 5-minute or 15-minute charts help you catch intraday moves. If you prefer a slower pace, the 1-hour chart offers a broader view with fewer signals. You can switch timeframes from the top toolbar. Try to stick with 1 or 2 primary timeframes so your analysis stays consistent. Now click Indicators and add only what you actually use. A simple setup might include a moving average to see trend direction and an RSI to gauge momentum. Less is more here. The fewer distractions on your chart, the easier it is to make decisions. Customize periods and colors if needed, but avoid constantly tinkering. Use the support and resistance tools from the left toolbar to mark key levels. Horizontal lines or rays work well for previous highs and lows, recent swing points, and clear breakout zones. Focus on levels that stand out on your chosen time frame. Keep your lines tidy and labeled so you know why each one matters. Open Chart Settings. Using the gear icon, go to the Trading tab and enable Show Buy/Sell buttons if you place trades from the chart. This lets you act quickly when your setup triggers. If you're still practicing, consider using paper trading so you can test your workflow without risk. Plan your trade with the long position or short position tool. Click where you want to enter, drag the stop-loss handle to a price that invalidates your idea, and set your take-profit target at a logical level. The tool displays risk to reward, helping you stay disciplined and size your positions appropriately. Finally, set alerts on your key price levels so you're notified when price reaches your setup. Right-click the level or use the alert icon, choose your conditions, and decide how you want to be notified. Alerts keep you from staring at the screen and help you stay patient. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.